Hi there, and welcome to a quick demo of the second version of my Sonic Pi touchscreen jukebox, which is running on this touchscreen here with a Raspberry Pi on the back of it, which is connected to a soundbar, battery-powered soundbar there. In fact, we're going to run the whole project on a battery pack here, which I'm going to plug into the Pi there, and that will start it booting. This is just to illustrate that the whole thing's set up to be completely automatic. It's going to boot, and when it's finished booting it will automatically go into the GUI, and it will then automatically start Sonic Pi in a second or two. Here goes the GUI starting Sonic Pi, and when it's done that, it's going to automatically start up the front end, which is written in the language Kivy, produce a program which responds to the touch sensitive nature of the screen. And if we zoom in on that, you can see first of all we have a logo there for Sonic Pi, and across on the other side a corresponding logo for Raspberry Pi. Two buttons at the top. First one will stop the program playing, whatever piece it's currently playing. Second one will quit the program and go back to the desktop. And then underneath that, if I pan out a bit, we've got 12 possible tunes. These are all tunes which I've written for Sonic Pi over the last year or so. I haven't written the music, but I've transcribed it for running on Sonic Pi. And an addition in this version is that I've added a volume slider here. You can just tap where you want the volume to be set, like this. We'll leave it about 80%, or you can slide it with your finger and just adjust the volume to make it clear what you've got to do. And then down at the bottom, the title of the program, Sonic Pi 12 Tunes Touchscreen Jukebox. So there it is. Let's listen to it going. We'll start off with this one, House of the Rising Sun, written by the Animals, or recorded by the Animals. I don't think they actually wrote it to start with. There. And we can then change straight away to any tune you like, simply by tapping it. Let's go something to do with trumpets. Or we want to go something that's a bit more rhythmic. Make that one a bit louder. This will be set to be louder. Sparkling tom-toms. Bit too loud. Put it down a bit. Well, this one a piece which I did to illustrate all the samples put together to form a little symphony. It gets louder, starts fairly quietly, builds up to a peak and then dies down again. Something a little more serene. Solo Bach violin. And two more recent pieces. One I finished just before Christmas. Sonic Pi plays Star Wars theme. And one I finished just before the New Year, Tchaikovsky's March from the Nutcracker Suite. Using the piano synth built into Sonic Pi. So we'll stop it a different way, this time by pressing the stop button. It stops the current piece from running, and then we can quit the program by pressing the quit program button. Goes back to the desktop, and then we could press menu, and we could press shutdown, and I can click on OK there, and the whole thing will shut down. And we've had the total control of the whole program with my finger. That's all, no mouse, no keyboard, nothing else. Whole thing battery powered, highly portable. A good example of illustrating the sort of music you can make with Sonic Pi. If you go a bit away from the live coding emphasis, which is usually used for, because this is just really for playing pieces which you've already done. The pieces are actually standard Sonic Pi files, text files, and they're squirted into Sonic Pi by means of the command line interface gem, and that's how it all works. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope to publish the program of this very shortly on my blog, and then you'll be able to have a go yourself if you've got a touch screen. Bye.